Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ka college babatam na banta ka jingpuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, thinio scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo ha India but shabari. Na banta ka jingpuli, ka jingsiyo ka baret but pila banlej puli, da ka education loan, pila urban chukol hau number, khandai nyo, saw, san Hynriew pranon, lani khandai pra Hynriew laisan, Hynriew khandai pra.
Hynriew Tylli building kibalashna Thymmai daga North Eastern Institute of Ayurveda and Homeopathy kabadan hakajaka ajing sumar hakashno maudiang New Shillong Township lapli pajba hakat santri ujumang arja apulai do Sarbananda Sunowal ubolong Menteri Sorkar Pdeng ubape yaka Ministry of Ayush kajinglot hakabashna penhe yakini Hynriew Tylli building hapok project 2 Neiah kalakot hadu Hynriew point Hynriew Klur tengka kini ki Hynriew Tylli building ki kan thop ya kawai ka hostel jung kishnrang bat kawai jung ki kan thei ki banyam mar shispa saungun pra unit ki quarter type 3 Hynriew unit ki quarter type 4A Hynriew unit ki quarter type 4B bakan thop ya ka sa director ka senior resident hostel ka badan arpsan unit bat ka guest house ka badan khat khandai Tylli ki kamra bat artli ki kamra he haka jingple pajba ya kini ki building na sakhi lang da ka menteri ka tanat ka koi ka khya jong ka Sorkar jala ka Dr. Mizal Amperin lingdo kawala longkum ka sumbut kongsan o menteri ka tanat animal husbandry and veterinary ka Sorkar jala uba AL Heng u vice chancellor jong ka North Eastern Hill University u Professor Prabha Shankar Shukla u director jong ka Nigrims Hospital u Professor Dr. Nalin Mehta bat ka director jong ka Neiah ka Dr. Nita Mahesekar
Shri Sarbananda Sunewal.
I just request our Honorable Minister, Union Minister, Sunewal ji, and all the central officers to promote our traditional medicine which is spread over the state of Meghalaya. Today we have to degrade it and link with the tourism. There people are going everywhere. I've seen the Honorable Prime Minister from the local medicine has been taken to the global medicine today. The Ayush. Everybody throughout the world, they are practicing Ayush today. So today we are very thankful to the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji for promoting the Ayush at the same time the local medicines. Every local today has been going global. everybody are practicing, as it's a very, very immensely benefit, not and also benefit to the people of our country, and also has given a lot of revenue and employment, both integrated in the tourism and also in the health sector. So we need to promote the traditional medicine, not only in Meghalaya, I'm talking about all the tribal states. Talk about the entire Northeast. Today we have got Neiah here. Just day before yesterday when they had come and met me and given the petition letter, I thought, what about the accommodations there? They said always full. It has given immense benefits and service to the people of Northeast, particularly people of Shillong. They're getting benefit out of this hospital.
I would like to see that in our leadership of our dear Minister, Mr. Sonowal, we will be able to see that traditional health practitioners in the state of Meghalaya also find way in your research and study. We would like to see that the people of the state in general and the region in particular should benefit from this institution. I am well aware of many of the patients of this institution who flock the institution from near and far. We would like to see that those coming to Neiah also get the benefit of cost reductions, especially because the people of the state believe in traditional practices. Through the Honourable Minister, we would like to thank the Honourable Prime Minister of this nation for this wonderful idea of giving Meghalaya an opportunity to host such an institution. Germany, Austria and Switzerland have done a great deal to popularize homeopathy as a mainstream healthcare delivery system. I am sure with the setting up of the Neiah, you are well on way to streamlining and strengthening Ayush system in our country. By doing so, we will multiply in many ways in the national healthcare system.
Glad to inaugurate the Phase 2 Capacity Expansion Project of Neiah, Shillong. And this capacity expansion means capacity building. And we all know, in India, Northeast is the most important priority zone for the speedy growth and development for our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. In the last 9 years, he has devoted his best of his time and energy, wisdom, knowledge by adopting many important project, policy program for the speedy growth of the entire northeastern region. Be it infrastructure, connectivity, communication, other institutional growth in all sectors, the quality human resource, the quality production, and quality of life promotion. In every sector, you have all noticed that how Honorable Prime Minister has given his heart to the people of Northeast and also his vision for our growth. And he has also given us the responsibility to play the role of an engine. Any का मतलब सिर्फ नॉर्थ ईस्ट नहीं, new engine for India's growth. This system, the ancient science, and which has been all being taken out of the mother earth, because mother earth is kind enough to bless us by rendering lot of component, and out of this component, environment, ecology, all the component of nature we have been inheriting the knowledge and power and ability and wisdom. And as a result, nowadays, this traditional system of medicine has proved that it is relevant for better health care. It is affordable, cost-effective, and accessible for the prevention of disease and preservation and promotion of health. This is the power exists in traditional system of medicine. So that is why this Neiah is coming up. And in this state of Meghalaya, full of natural resources.
First of all, today is a great day for the people of Meghalaya because we have inaugurated the phase 2 capacity expansion project here and with 6 blocks, and which will give more accommodation to our student friends and also to the visitors, and also for our research activity to be enhanced. And I believe this is the vision of Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. Because of his active support and kindness, now Northeast is growing faster. Every state of Northeast, whether it is Sikkim, whether it is Meghalaya, whether it is Tripura, whether it is Mizoram, whether it is Manipur, whether it is Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Assam, all the 8 states equally growing in all the subjects, in all the sector, in the sector of medicine, in the sector of institution, in the sector of agriculture, in the sector of infrastructure, in the sector of industry, in the sector of employment. So I believe this is the golden opportunity Honorable Prime Minister has provided to people of Northeast, which was never before. In the last 9 years, this growth has become so visible, so distinctive. Now everyone is very much encouraged out of seeing this particular development, and they have got tremendous faith, and they have got tremendous faith and confidence in Honorable Prime Minister leadership. That is why I believe this kind of institution coming up. In the near future, we have many more projects in the Northeast to come, and we have already decided 39 integrated hospitals to be set up across the northern region. And also, thousands of health and wellness centers will come up, and different 10-bedded, 30-bedded, and 50-bedded, as per the proposal sent by the respective state government, will set up this hospital. And also research and education. As you know, in the recent past, we had an agreement, particularly MOU with Indian Council of Medical Research, ICMR, with AYUS. That means for the education and research purpose and for the development, we are working together, both modern medicine and traditional medicine. And this is under the direction of Honorable Prime Minister, both the ministries joining hand to each other, Minister of Health and Family Welfare, Minister of AYUS. Now that is why I believe in many centers you have seen integrative system of medicine have come up right from Safdarjung, AIMS, Delhi, and in all other AIMS across the country, and also district hospital, primary hospital, in all the sectors. This is going to come to make both the system available for the people to take the access of this kind of cost-effective, affordable treatment everywhere. Sir. Being the hotspot of biodiversity, we have got enormous medicinal value plant. This is to be detected. That is why we are setting up research cells, research centers, so that our researchers will do research and about the available ingredient of the medicinal value. Accordingly, the evidence will be developed. On that basis, this particular system will prosper.